June 8 is fast approaching, and crypto traders are preparing for a liquidity wave that could reshape the market. Institutional capital is expected to flood in through the newly launched CME Nasdaq Crypto Index Futures, a development that has historically triggered sharp shifts in market dynamics. When large-scale money flows into major assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, it often doesn't stay there for long. History shows that liquidity tends to rotate into high-momentum microcap projects, especially when market sentiment is bullish and speculative activity is rising. That's exactly what's happening now. As the June 8 date nears, investors are aggressively searching for the next top 100x meme coin before the broader market fully awakens. APEMARS, APRZ, has emerged as a leading contender in this search. Unlike established tokens like PEPE or Peanut the Squirrel, which are already attracting attention, APEMARS is still in its final presale phase. This final stage has drawn significant interest, with thousands of investors joining and billions of tokens already sold. The scarcity of available tokens is tightening rapidly, which has many traders seeing APEMARS as a rare early entry opportunity. The token's momentum is building, and as institutional money prepares to enter the space, the potential for a sharp upward move is growing. Meanwhile, PEPE is seeing a surge in volume, with over 16% growth in recent trading activity. Peanut the Squirrel is also drawing speculative attention, but both of these projects are already well known in the most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Meme coin space. APEMARS, on the other hand, is still in its early stages, and that could give it a unique advantage. When liquidity begins to rotate into smaller, high-potential assets, projects that are still in presale often experience the most dramatic price movements. This is because early adopters can capture significant gains before broader market awareness kicks in. The institutional catalyst is a key factor in this scenario. The CME Nasdaq Crypto Index Futures launch is expected to bring a new wave of capital into the crypto market, and that capital is unlikely to stay in just a few large-cap assets for long. As more traders and investors begin to position themselves ahead of June 8, the focus is shifting toward meme coins that have strong community support and are still in the early stages of adoption. APEMARS fits this profile perfectly. It's not just a speculative play, it's a project that has already begun to attract significant attention and investment. The stakes are high for anyone watching this space. If history is any indication, the liquidity that flows into the broader market will eventually find its way into meme coins with strong momentum. APEMARS is currently positioned to benefit from this shift, and traders are watching closely to see if it will become the next big winner. The final presale phase is a critical time for the project, and the tightening scarcity of tokens is a strong indicator that demand is growing. At the same time, other tokens like PEPE and Peanut the Squirrel are also showing signs of strength. PEPE's volume surge suggests that traders are still interested in established meme coins, but the real opportunity may lie in projects that are still in presale. APEMARS is in a unique position because it's still accessible to new investors, and as the June 8 date approaches, the potential for a sharp price move increases. What's driving this shift in focus? The answer lies in the way liquidity moves in the crypto market. When large-scale capital enters the space, it tends to flow into assets that are undervalued but have strong community support. Meme coins often fit this description, especially when they're still. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. In the early stages of adoption, APEMARS is currently in that sweet spot, and as the June 8 liquidity wave approaches, the pressure is on for investors to find the right entry point. The next signal to watch is whether APEMARS can maintain its momentum as the presale phase comes to an end. If institutional capital begins to flow into the broader market and meme coins start to see a surge in trading activity, APEMARS could become a major beneficiary. The final days of the presale are critical, and traders are closely monitoring the project's progress. If the token continues to attract new investors and the scarcity of available tokens increases, the stage could be set for a significant price move.